Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for designers and creative teams. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Monday.com workspace. This is where you'll be managing all your creative projects and digital assets moving forward. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see a plus icon there. Go ahead and click on that plus icon, and from the options that appear, select Template Center. The Template Center is where Monday.com stores pre-built workflows and boards designed for different types of teams and projects, which can save you a significant amount of setup time. Once you're in the Template Center, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. Click on that search bar to activate it, then type in digital assets. This search term will filter the available templates to show you options specifically designed for managing creative files, brand materials, and visual content, which is exactly what design teams need. After you hit search, you'll see a list of relevant templates appear. From the results, locate and click on the Digital Asset Management template. This template is specifically built for creative teams who need to organize, track, and collaborate on design files, images, videos, and other visual content. It's a perfect starting point for designers who want a structured system without building everything from scratch. Now that you've selected the template, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says Use Template. Click on this button to add the template to your workspace. What this does is create a fully structured board with pre-configured columns, workflows, and automation designed specifically for digital asset management. The beauty of using this method is that it significantly lessens the time it would take to create a board manually. Most of the structure is already built for you, including columns for file types, approval statuses, assignees, and deadlines. All you need to do is customize it to fit your team's specific workflow, add your actual design files, and start collaborating right away. And that's it. You've successfully set up a digital asset management system on Monday.com tailored for your creative team. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.